What's up guys, Matt Steffanina back here with another tutorial for you today, and this time I'll be teaching you Mia by Bad Bunny and Drizzy Drake. Alright, so this one I would say is like an intermediate advanced routine. It's mostly grooves and really fun parts, but I did give you a couple challenges in there just to keep pushing you guys. I gotta give a big shout out to my girl Bailey Sock, who collabed with me on this routine, and we wanna see your covers. So once you guys learn it and upload it, make sure you tag me on Instagram at Matt Steffanina. We've been reposting tons of you guys, and don't forget to also subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell to turn on notifications because we've been dropping new tutorials every single week. And this one, you guys got it to 50,000 likes on my main channel so fast, and that's why I'm back in here like literally the next day filming another tutorial for you guys. So thank you for all the love. Appreciate you guys. So if you're ready to learn it, let's head to the studio over that way. All right guys, so this one's gonna start on 8 and. You're gonna begin down like this, and you're gonna come up on that and, shoot, and bring your hands up like this. And Drake says, yeah, in the music. So it's almost like somebody surprises you. You wanna go, yeah, and then you're gonna step on your left foot and go press. On your right foot, press. You're gonna bring your hands around like this to come down and then up to your chest. So this is 7, 8, yeah, 1, 2, and a 3, and then you're gonna take your right toe out, you're gonna go high and low. So my right foot just sort of deep, walks out, and your hands kind of help that, deep. You're gonna push this right hand across, bring your right foot behind to go, woo. And again in the music, just like, yeah, now he's gonna say, woo. You wanna catch that really clean. Then there's a little hold, pause here for a second. You're gonna bring your knees in, press down. You're gonna pull your right hand back to cross on your shoulders here. So it's gonna go, whoa, there's a little hold. You go cross, pull, cross. Then you're gonna roll your hands down. Little Michael Jackson for a moment. Then you're gonna hit your head, boop, up and over and come over here. So he's gonna say, aha. So when he says aha, that's your aha. So your shoulders are catching on that beat. Aha, or that lyric rather, aha, and then you sort of just sink into your left hip. So when we do this whole thing from the top, so let's get this time in. You go 7, 8, yeah, 1, 2, and a 3, and doom, ta, shoo, woo. 7 and 8, and a woo, aha. Hey, so you feel how there's the pauses, woo, the aha, it all makes sense with the music. Then we're gonna do a little glide wave combination situation. You're gonna go out to the right, back to the left, out to the right. So all my hands are doing is going wave, wave, wave. Joom, joom, joom. So my right hand is palm down, my left hand is palm up, then they switch, then they switch. Your feet are going right toe onto your left toe, onto your right toe. And this has a little bit of like an ice skatery gliding vibe. So we went right, left, right. You're gonna bring your left foot in, you're gonna go down, step out with the right, then you do the same thing reverse, you're gonna go back, ah. So your feet are just left, right, left, and you add that little dip with it. So dip here, I'm crossing and bringing my hands to my waist, just by my sides. Then you're gonna go pull, ah. Then you're gonna swing right, left, right, boom. And that's where we hit the bass. The beat finally drops in there, that's our first beat. So let's go from the top up to there. You go 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and a 3, and 4, and a shoom, 8, 7, and 8, and a 1, aha, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 8, and woo, nice. And I like to throw my head to the side, boom, on this bass too. Then from here, the beat's gonna go boom, da, doom, da. So we have boom, that's your first one, da, doom, right, left, and you literally just right foot, left foot, moving forward. Then you're gonna bring this up, ah, and then you're gonna hit back down again, boom. So really subtle here, but if you match it nice with the beats, it'll read really big. Boom, da, doom, da, boom. Then you're gonna take your right foot, you're gonna go heel, toe. At the same time, your hands are gonna go left, right, then you're gonna lift your heel up, click, and lift your wrists up at the same. So your wrists and your heel should all move together, move together, move together, move together, move together. Then from here, you're gonna slide your left hand over to your right hand. And then we're gonna do something a little more detailed from here. You're gonna take your hands and spiral them around like this. So all I'm doing, it looks complicated, it's actually really easy. I'm bringing my right hand up and then my right hand is going towards the back of the room, my left hand towards the front of the room, front, and then keep your wrists attached and then flip them at the end. So basically your right hand comes up and back, left hand goes forward, around, boom, and you end up like this. Left hand is on top, right hand is on the bottom, wrists are connected, then your left knee is gonna hit your left hand. Boom, it's gonna knock it up to your shoulder. That's gonna open this up, left foot goes back, you're gonna go through, and on that, it's the sound of the music, my hand is just doing a little like grabbing. So again, this part is a little bit trickier. The rest of this dance is like bigger and more grooves, but this is really important so that you have a little bit of change in energy in the middle of the routine. So you bring that left hand into your right, you flip your hands, you hit, and open, through, out, zoom. Now it's all easy from here. You just go groove, groove, arms are sort of freestyle, however you want to vibe it, out, out, step on your right, push, step on your left, push, drop down, then it goes, and he literally makes it sound like that, like a bird sound, in the music. So I'm kind of like wiggling my knees and body rolling and going with my hands. You can sort of do what you want. In the video, I go and I kind of pull Bailey up, so you can play with that dynamic too. All right, I know you probably need that part again, but here's the thing. The chorus is all grooves and it repeats twice. So you guys are almost done. So I'm gonna teach you this chorus really fast and then we're gonna go from the top, slow, 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 and put it all together, yeah? So after you go zoom, you have a hold. You actually have a full like count and a half. So you can like look at your partner, you can give a little like nod or a pop, something like that. Then you're gonna drop into this groove. You're gonna drop, right foot is gonna come in front, shoulder goes back, So this is right shoulder back, 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 then I dive through and back and I just sort of tap my toes lightly there to give it a little texture with the feet too. Forward and back and now you're gonna take your hands and go here, here, here. You're gonna bounce off this last one. So on the third one, it's gonna go D, D, boom, and then you're gonna scoop through, scoop, and scoop. So your hands are matching your right foot. And if you wanna really get crazy with this, you can also go up onto your left toe as you go here. And that gives it like almost the illusion that this is like pushing your other foot up. So you can play with that, but it's also okay to just do it here, like a smaller groove. Then you're gonna step down on your right foot, you're gonna wave up through your body. So body wave to your hands, and you're gonna grab it and look at it. Then you just bring this down to the left, down to the right, down to the left. And at the end of this groove each time, I kick my legs. So it's swing, kick, swing, kick, swing, kick. Then you're bringing this down, knees in. You're going clap. You're prepping here, and your left knee comes up to push around here. Then you're just gonna go tap, tap. I'm literally just taking my shoulders, pop, pop, forward, back. And then that's all the choreography because this is just gonna repeat again. So from here, you drop back into this groove again. So it was 7, 8, and it's 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, ta, ta. Freestyle, cause you're done, yeah. Good job. So, like I said, guys, this one it's sort of mixed. Like some parts are really, really easy. And then of course you got the little intricate part in the middle. So let's go from the very top, put the whole thing together slowly so you guys can get it down, and then we'll take it up faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah. 1, 2, and a 3, and 4, and a 5, yeah. 7, and 8, and a 1, aha. 3, 4, and down, and 6, and 8, and boom, da doom, boom, D, D, I push around, and 7, and 8, and 1, groove, 2, 3, 4, brush, 5, brush, 6, hold the 8, 1, and 3, 4, tap, tap, go, and yeah, and a 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and repeat the chorus, tap, tap, 1, 2, groove, 8, and a 5, and 6, 7, 8, and a 1, 2, A, 3, A, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, tap, tap, boom. Freestyle, yeah, 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 yeah. Good, so that's the timing slow. Make sure you guys do that till you feel comfortable, but remember also to push yourself. If you've been doing my tutorials for a while, just go for it right now. Go for it with me on the fast one. See how you do, and that way you can keep challenging yourself. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, 1, 2, and a 3, and 4, and a shoot, hey, 7, and 8, and a 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 8, and doom, da doom, boom, kikoom, ha, boom, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, brush, 5, and 6, brrr, chill, 1, hey, hey, da, 4, 5, and 6, and yeah, brrr, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and woo, ha, TT, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and yeah, brrr, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and freestyle, cool moves, yeah. All right, so good job today with this one, you guys. Make sure you tag me in your covers once you post them up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications because we're dropping new tutorials every single week for you guys, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next on the channel. Love you guys, I'll see you soon.